Good morning, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the book, Keeping Warm, Keeping Cool. Now, we know that this is a non-fiction book because it can happen in real life and it is talking about real animals and people. You will have a copy of Keeping Warm, Keeping Cool on today's slide for Tuesday, the 25th of August. Reading comprehension is the ability to process text and understand its meaning. Today, we are going to read the text Amazing Antarctica and respond to a range of questions. You will find the answers to the questions directly in the text. So if you like, after you have read it, you can go back and skim and scan through the text to help you. We used the strategies skimming and scanning to help us find important information in the text. This might be general information or important facts. I will read the text out loud to you, but then it is your job to read it for yourself. Where is Antarctica? Antarctica is a continent, a large, solid area of land. It is the furthest south in the world. It is surrounded by the Southern Ocean. Antarctica is about 50 times the size of the UK. Antarctic animals. Lots of different animals live in Antarctica. They have all developed special features to help them survive in very cold temperatures. Emperor penguins are the largest penguins in the world. Emperor penguins have special fat layers in their feet to keep them from freezing. They also have strong claws to help them grip the ice. Fur seals have thick fur to protect them from the cold. They also have a thick layer of fat called blubber under their skin to keep them warm. Orcas have a large heart which helps to pump lots of warm blood around their body. They also have a thick layer of blubber under their skin to keep them warm. What is it like in Antarctica? Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth, and almost the whole continent is always covered in ice. Because of the extremely cold temperatures, no people live in Antarctica permanently. There are always parts where no rain ever falls. Now you have to respond to 5 questions. You will find the answers to these questions in the text. Remember, you can use the strategy skimming and scanning to help you find important information to answer the questions. The first question is, what is a continent? Tick 1. We have a large country, a large solid area of land, or a place covered in ice. So we would use the text to help us answer the question. I have answered question 1. A continent is a large, solid area of land. Question 2. How big is Antarctica? Tick 1. So remember, we use the information from the text to help us. So I know that Antarctica is 50 times the size of the UK. Question 3. Why have the animals in Antarctica developed special features? I have written for question 3 to help them survive in very cold temperatures. Question 4 requires you to draw a line to match up the boxes to complete the sentences. Box number 1 says lots of different animals. Now I need to match it up with another box to complete the sentence. Lots of different animals live in Antarctica. So now I will draw a line to match up the boxes. Box number 2 says there are also parts where no rain ever falls. Remember to use the text to help you answer the questions. Box number 3. Emperor penguins are the largest penguins in the world. Question 5 requires you to complete the sentence below. Antarctica is something place on Earth. We know it's not the sunniest, we would cross that out. We know it's not the warmest, so we would cross that out. So it must be coldest. So now let's write Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth. There, we have completed the sentence and we got that information from the text, which helped us answer the question. It's now your turn to complete the activity. Read through the text and then answer the questions.